the coast. Okay, it's not far, men. Now you see the coastline. This is Scotland, and then we will invade Northumbria. This is Northumbria, where King Aether defeated our beloved Ragnar Lothbrok. Now we will gain revenge. This is Northumbria, men. If you remember the history, this is where King Aether defeated Ragnar. No, we will not let that stand. His sons, they came and invaded already. Now it's our turn. I will reclaim what is rightfully ours. Now the North Sea Empire, this is our time. One step at a time, yes? Sail ahead. Okay, men, you see the coast. This is now Scotland, and then we will invade Northumbria. You get it? We already picked up some men in Shetland and Orkney. So, now we will meet up with other Vikings, because Scotland, they are with us. They don't like the English either. Good news. Right, sail ahead. We're not far. Yes. Okay, men, this is the coast. This is England. Now we've sailed past Scotland, and this is Northumbria.